I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. Building your dream, laying the foundation. Hey there, future business mogul. So, you're ready to turn your passion into a thriving business? That's amazing. Before you dive headfirst into the exciting world of entrepreneurship, let's talk about one crucial decision: choosing the right business structure. This might sound a little dry, like picking out sensible shoes, but trust me, it's way more important than you think. Think of your business structure as the foundation of your dream house. You wouldn't want to build on shaky ground, right? The right structure impacts everything from your taxes and legal protection to how much paperwork you'll be drowning in. And let's be real, nobody wants more paperwork. We'll break down two popular options: sole proprietorship and limited liability company, LLC. Check out the link in the description box below. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to understand. Going solo, the simplicity of sole proprietorship. First up, let's talk about sole proprietorship. Picture this: you're a one-person show, calling all the shots and reaping all the rewards. That's the beauty of a sole proprietorship. You are the business. There's no legal distinction between you and your fabulous company. This structure is perfect for solopreneurs just starting out, especially if you're in a low-risk industry. Think freelancers, consultants, artists, or anyone testing the waters of entrepreneurship. It's like dipping your toes into the pool before diving in head first. But hold on, before you dive into sole proprietorship, let's look at how to make it official. Launching your sole proprietorship, easy as 1, 2, 3. One of the best things about sole proprietorship, setting it up is a piece of cake. No complicated paperwork or legal hoops to jump through. Here's the basic rundown. 1. Choose a business name. Get creative and pick a name that reflects your brand and gets you excited. 2. Register your business. Check with your local and state government for any necessary permits or licenses. This ensures you're operating above board and following all the rules. 3. Start making money. That's right, you're officially in business. Time to share your brilliance with the world. See? Easy peasy. Now let's explore another popular option for small business owners, the LLC. Level up your business. Introducing the LLC. Ready to level up your business game? The LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is here to help you do just that. Enter the LLC, a business structure that offers the best of both worlds: the simplicity of a sole proprietorship with the legal protection of a corporation. It's designed to give you the freedom to run your business without the constant worry of personal liability. Think of it as the superhero cape your business needs. Just like a superhero, an LLC can protect you from the villains of the business world, such as debts and lawsuits. With an LLC, your personal assets, like your house, car, and prized shoe collection, are protected from business debts and lawsuits. This means that if your business faces financial trouble, your personal belongings remain safe. This separation provides peace of mind, knowing your personal life is shielded from business risks. You can focus on growing your business without the fear of losing your home or car. It's like having a force field around your personal belongings. Imagine a protective bubble that keeps your personal life untouched by business challenges. LLCs also offer more flexibility when it comes to taxes and management, making it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. You can choose how you want to be taxed, whether as a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation, giving you the best financial advantage. But don't let the limited liability part intimidate you. It's not as complicated as it sounds. Setting up an LLC is easier than you think, especially with the right help. There are many resources and professionals available to guide you through the process, ensuring you get it right the first time. So, why wait? Take the leap and give your business the protection it deserves with an LLC. LLC formation made easy, your step-by-step guide with Bizee. Starting a business can be overwhelming, but with Bizee, you have a trusted partner to guide you through every step of the LLC formation process. Ready to unlock the power of an LLC? Bizee makes the entire process a breeze, handling all the complicated paperwork and legal requirements so you can focus on what really matters: growing your dream business. Imagine having more time to strategize, innovate, and connect with your customers while we take care of the legalities. Here's how simple it is. Follow these straightforward steps, and you'll be on your way to owning a successful LLC in no time. 1. Choose a unique business name. This is your brand's identity, so make it memorable and reflective of your business values. Bizee helps you check for availability and ensures your chosen name complies with state regulations. Our intuitive tool makes it easy to find the perfect name without any guesswork. 2. File your articles of organization. This document officially registers your LLC with the state. Bizee prepares and files all the necessary paperwork with your state, saving you time and hassle. Our experts ensure everything is in order, so you don't have to worry about missing any critical details. 3. Get your EIN. An employer identification number, or EIN, is crucial for opening business bank accounts, hiring employees, and filing taxes. It's like a social security number for your business. Bizee streamlines this process, making it quick and painless. Our step-by-step guidance ensures you get your EIN without any hassle. 4. Celebrate! Congratulations! You're now the proud owner of an LLC. This is a significant milestone in your entrepreneurial journey. Time to pop the champagne or sparkling cider and celebrate your incredible achievement. You've worked hard to get here, and now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. With Bizee, forming an LLC is as easy as ordering takeout. Our user-friendly platform and expert support make the entire process seamless and stress-free. Now that we've demystified both sole proprietorships and LLCs, let's weigh the pros and cons of each structure. Understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision about which business structure is right for you. Sole proprietorship versus LLC, weighing the pros and cons. This decision can shape the future of your business, so it's essential to understand the nuances of each option. Remember that amazing foundation we talked about earlier? It's the bedrock of your business, and choosing the right structure is a key part of that foundation. Choosing between a sole proprietorship and an LLC is a crucial step in building your business on solid ground. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages that can significantly impact your operations and growth. To help you make the best decision for your unique situation, let's compare the pros and cons of each structure. Sole proprietorship pros: easy setup. One of the biggest advantages of a sole proprietorship is its simplicity. Launching a sole proprietorship is quick and inexpensive, requiring minimal paperwork. Simple taxes. You report business income and expenses on your personal tax return. No separate business tax forms. This can save you time and reduce the complexity of your tax filings. Maximum control. As the sole owner, you have complete control over your business decisions. You can steer your business in any direction you choose without needing approval from partners or a board of directors. However, there are also significant drawbacks to consider. Cons: unlimited liability. Your personal assets are at risk if your business incurs debts or faces lawsuits. This means that your home, car, and personal savings could be used to settle business debts. Less credibility. Some clients and investors may view LLCs as more established and trustworthy. This perception can affect your ability to attract high-profile clients or secure investment. Potential funding challenges. Securing loans or investments might be more challenging as a sole proprietor. Banks and investors often prefer the perceived stability of an LLC. Now let's look at the LLC pros: limited liability. Your personal assets are protected from business debts and lawsuits. This separation between personal and business assets can provide peace of mind and financial security. Tax flexibility. You can choose how you want to be taxed, either as a partnership, corporation, or S corporation. This flexibility allows you to select the tax structure that best suits your financial situation and business goals. Increased credibility. An LLC can boost your business's image and attract potential investors. The formal structure of an LLC can make your business appear more professional and established. However, forming an LLC is not without its challenges. Cons: more complex setup. Forming an LLC requires more paperwork and fees than a sole proprietorship. This includes filing articles of organization and paying state filing fees. Ongoing compliance. LLCs have ongoing compliance requirements, such as annual reports and fees. These requirements can add to your administrative burden and increase your operating costs. In conclusion, both sole proprietorships and LLCs have their own sets of pros and cons. Your choice will depend on your specific business needs, goals, and resources. Take the time to weigh these factors carefully to make the best decision for your business's future. Bizee, your partner in LLC formation and EIN acquisition. Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of navigating LLC formation and EIN acquisition? Don't sweat it. Bizee is here to guide you every step of the way, making the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Imagine having a dedicated team of experts handling all the legal jargon and paperwork, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, running your business. That's the power of partnering with Bizee. Finding the perfect fit. Which structure aligns with your vision? So, which structure is right for? The answer depends on your specific business needs and long-term goals. If you're a freelancer, consultant, or solopreneur in a low-risk industry, a sole proprietorship might be the perfect starting point. It's simple, affordable, and gives you complete control. But if you're planning to grow your business, hire employees, or seek funding, an LLC offers essential legal protection and tax advantages. Plus, it can boost your credibility and attract potential investors. No matter which path you choose, remember, you've got this. Building a business is an incredible journey, and with the right foundation, you'll be well on your way to achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. And hey, when you're ready to level up your business and make it official, check out Bizee for all your LLC and EIN needs. They make the process seamless and affordable, so you can focus on what really matters, building your empire. The future is yours for the taking, so get out there and crush it. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of this business, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for even more tips, strategies, and inspiration. Let's make those dreams a reality, one hustle at a time.